In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images with Openart without spending any money. So it's simple. Go to your browser and search for Openart. So here is it. And then you take the first one that pops up, or you can go to the one that does it's not ads. Once you take it, you can create your account. You can log in with your Google account or with Discord if you are a Discord user. So once you logged in, it's totally free. So it has a free plan. So this is what you do. You go to create image. And on the create image, you're going to describe your image here. So when you create an account, you receive 50 credits and each image is 2 credits. You can generate up to 25 images before running out of credits. So what you do is that you describe the image you want to generate. So I'm going to describe a cat uh dancing in a zoo with people watching it. So now what I have to do now, I choose the model I want to use. So do I want these? There are various models. So I'm going to just browse through and take, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to take any random one. So let's take this. I don't know what's that. So once you are created, you can choose yours. So click on create. So once you click on create, the videos are running. Sorry, the images are running. So let's give it a minute. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Alright, it's taking a couple of seconds. Just hold on. It should be back soon. Alright. So this is way simpler, but it's taking a lot of time. Okay. Alright, and that's our image. So here's it. So you can see a cat dancing and people are watching it. So that's how they generate AI images in Openart. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more like this.